We're working with iMovie on the iPad, and let's talk about how we can add a title to a video. So let's make sure that you have a project started. Let's just start a new one. I will click on the plus in the top right, and then we're going to create a movie. Now right away, of course, we have to pick a theme, but noting that you can always change your theme later. So I'll just leave it on playful theme right now, and I'm going to click on the top right, create movie. So what I'm looking at here is my main screen with an iMovie, and on the right hand side this is all the video that I have on my iPad right now. So I will spend some time scrolling through the video that I have on this iPad, and then when I decide what it is that I want, I'm going to tap on that video. And when I tap on that video, it's highlighted. You notice that because of the yellow, and then I'll tap on the down arrow, and that will place that video into my timeline. So now I've added a 38-second video to my timeline. So let's add a title to this video that we just added to our timeline. I'm going to tap on it to select it. Now in the lower left-hand corner, you see that video is selected. We want to make sure that that is selected, and when video is selected on the bottom right-hand side, you see title, speed, split, freeze, duplicate, and so on. So let's tap on title. Now by tapping on title, you get several choices: opening, middle, and closing. And the opening, middle, and closing have to do with the theme that we've picked earlier. So if I pick the playful theme, then my opening title looks like this. If I choose middle, it would look like that, and closing looks like that. So once again, depending on the theme that you've chosen, it will depend on what titles you have available to you in the opening, middle, and closing. So I will pick opening. Now to add or change my title, let's just tap on where it says title text here, and then we'll just put our title in there. Okay, and then if we don't like that, it says Sioux City, we can get rid of that as well. So when I have location services turned on, it picks the closest airport, the closest large airport. So to get rid of that, I'm going to tap on the lower right hand side on the pin. And you can see when I tap on the pin in the lower right hand side that it says Sioux City. Now I can tap in there and I can just get rid of it. Or maybe I want to just change it to say Norfolk. Let's do that. We don't have to have a place in there, but I'll choose to have one. So now you'll notice up on the screen there below where it says adding a title that it says Norfolk. Now let's see how our title looks. So I'm going to just move the video to the beginning using my finger, and I'm just going to hit play, and now we can see what it looks like. It pops up, but right away we notice that the title stays there and it never goes away. Now I want it to disappear just a few seconds in. So let's hit pause. I'm going to scroll back here just a little bit, and I'm just going to decide about how far or when really I want this to disappear. So let's say I decide right there, just a few seconds in, I want the title to disappear. Now here's how you do that. First, you tap on the video, and as soon as I tap on it, I want you to notice in the lower right hand corner that you see something that says split. Now let's tap on the word split, and notice what it does to the video. Okay, it splits that video. Now let's see what happens to our title. So I hit play, there's the title, and right where I split it, it goes away. So that's how you make the title disappear.